once in a great while, a customer will contact our service department and apologize for accidentally having turned this knob a little bit too far and having the entire laser assembly come apart in their hands. Well, never fear, I'm going to show you now how to put all of that back together. We'll take all the pieces apart. Here we go. Of course, they probably won't fall off in this nice order for you, but it will help you to visualize how everything's going to go back together again. So we have this little piston piece that the laser post grabs a hold of. We have this little tulip or V-shaped piece. It reminds me of a bird's mouth. That slides right onto the piston. Once this slides in and out, that's what actually grabs a hold of the laser post. Well, next comes the laser body itself. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus enough. There we go. The laser mounting body on one side is flat, but the other side, get the reflection just right, has a divot or an indentation. That indentation has to face the piston or the bird's mouth so that it can slip right inside where it belongs. It doesn't matter right now if you hold it with the laser pointing away from you or towards you, as long as the divot side is accepting the piston. Well, now we've got it all coming out the opposite end here. And before I do that, I'm actually going to take that out 1 second and turn it so that you can possibly see, there it is, a little flat side on this piston. As I rotate it a little bit, you'll see there are actually two flat sides. That's not completely round. It's important to note, after we've got the piston into the laser body, because on the other side, right here, this flat side, we're going to put this nice silver little washer. And that washer also has two flat sides. See if I can get my fingers to hold it just right. There we go. So slip it on so that the flat sides mate up with the flat sides on that piston. It might take a little bit of wiggling around until it all falls down into place. But that silver piece, there we go, should slide right up next to the body. Look at that, we're almost home. Next, we have the little spring that slips right onto the piston, and finally the knob itself. That cup right here is going to encompass the entire spring. The flat side will face away from you. So hold on to that piston and the bird's beak, and hold on to the laser body. Push a little bit so that the spring compresses and start turning the knob. You'll see I'm turning it clockwise to screw it back onto the laser body. Just get it started. You don't want to turn it too far because you're going to want to be able to align the hole with the bird's mouth and then be able to squeeze that spring by pushing on the handle to open up the hole completely and slide it right onto the laser post. There you go.